low, lower highs, lower low, the same thing. Is this the same thing, pullback?
Okay. On candle level, yes. But what we generally know as higher high, higher low is on the structure level.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
I
So
see.
we're going to get to it. So it's
All
this
right.
pullback cause the higher highs and the higher low.
Okay.
Yes. So in fact, if you look at this chart now that we're explaining, we had two impulsive candles going up, then we had one pullback. So let's say we have another green candle going up. Let's say this is green. Now, so let's say the up impulse continues. Okay, so what you basically have now is we had two impulsive candles. So price came up, we had this
Yes.
pullback,
Okay.
then the price continued going up again.
Ah, okay. Okay. So wherever the opposite color candles are coming, that time only we consider it's a pullback. Is it so?
Most of the time, yes.
Okay.
Yes. So following the higher high, higher low. Now this can be the first low, then this high,
Okay.
then this is higher low
Hello.
because it's higher than this previous low.
Correct. Okay.
Then we have higher high.
Okay.
Can you see that now?
Yeah, again. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is on the candle level. So
Okay.
yeah. So where we are going is on the structure level, but it's the candle
Okay.
level that helps us understand the structure level.
All right.
Pull back on
Candle levels.
this is
Candle
for the
level. Because
bearish scenario.
yeah, it's basically the very basic foundation. So that's why we are focusing on the candle level now. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. So now back to the bearish scenario. So we
Yeah.
have two impulsive candles going to the down. Then we now have something like this. It can even be lower than come like this.
Okay.
So you can see price was going down,
Mm-hmm.
came
Correct.
came
Yes.
back up.
Pullback.
So that's a pullback.
Yeah.
So that's pullback. So
Good.
and it's always happening in the market. Always happening in the market.
Okay.
So though the color of my own candles, I changed it to blue and purple, but it can be any
Yeah.
color.
Okay. So you just change. Yeah, you just change the color. No, in mine is it's red and green. Right. Some people are using, I think, green, is black and white. I think something like that.
Exactly. So do you
Yeah.
know how to change the color?
I know the changing the color.
You know how to change it?
Yes, yes, yes. I know how to change the color.
Okay. So if you look, so we are looking for pullbacks. So yeah, we had impulsive candle. Sorry. So price went this high.
Okay. Yes. Then again, there's a
Then
pullback.
there was a pullback.
Correct.